These are the moments I make.
Welcome back to our home here in Oregon. Kind of bittersweet for me as I return to work here in the next day. Positive, I'm glad I have a job and glad I can provide for the family, but it is always bittersweet being that these last 3 months is the longest I've been home in 15 years. So always appreciative. This one's about daughter Paige. We just want to say we love you. You keep us smiling and laughing with your big personality and things you say. We never know what you're going to say, which is always interesting, but you have an adventurous spirit. We hope you keep that adventurous spirit, and we enjoy when you come with us on our travels.
There are moments in life that change who we are, and the best we can do is ensure these moments change us for the better. No moment changed me more than the day you were born. I didn't know it at the time, but the moment you came into this world, I became a better person. You're an important part of this family that continues to inspire me to be at my best every day. It's an absolute gift watching you grow into an amazing person. I cherish our adventures as I get to watch you take on life. It's your spirit, your level-headedness, your desire to be great that I admire as your father. But if there was one piece of wisdom I could bestow upon you that lasts long after I'm no longer here on this earth, it is this. There are moments in life that define or shape us. Recognize these moments. Pause to reflect on them. Keep the good, but learn from the bad. And never give up on your dreams, Paige. And when you see a setting sun, just know that's your dad, letting you know he's so very proud of who you've become.
The ones will remember. These are the feelings that change who